Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make metallic gold text in Canva. This is a quick and reliable way to give your text that shiny, premium look without any complicated design work. It's perfect for things like product headlines, logos, badges, or promotional graphics. We'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow so you can get the effect in just a few clicks, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by opening your project in Canva and make sure the text you want to style is selected. You can click directly on the text box on your canvas or choose it from the sidebar if you're working with layers. It's important that the text is actively selected because the options we're about to use will only apply to the chosen text, not the rest of your design. With your text selected, look to the top toolbar and find the color settings. This is usually shown as a color tile or the letter A with a color line beneath it. Click that to open the color panel. This panel controls how your text is filled, and it lets you switch between solid colors, gradients, and preset styles, which is where the metallic effect comes from. Inside the color panel, scroll to the section with default gradient colors. Gradients blend multiple tones to create depth, which is exactly what sells a metallic effect and makes the text look more realistic instead of flat. If you don't immediately see the full list, click See All under the gradient section. This expands the available options so you can browse everything in one place. Take a moment to look through them. You'll notice different color themes and finishes designed to give your text more dimension and visual interest. Now head to the bottom of that expanded list, where you'll find a metallic gradient style. This is where the gold option lives. The metallic set is designed to simulate highlights and shadows, so your text looks reflective and dimensional, almost like foil or embossed lettering. Click the gold style, and it will instantly apply to your selected text. That's the whole transformation. No filters, no extra tools, just a smart preset that nails the effect in one click. If your project uses multiple text boxes and you want them all to match, select each text element and apply the same gold style. This is especially useful for headers, callouts, or pricing sections. The effect works across most fonts, but bold or thicker fonts tend to show off the metallic highlights best, making the gold look richer and more noticeable. For maximum impact, consider how your background color interacts with the gold. Darker or neutral backgrounds usually make the shine stand out more and feel more luxurious, while busy or high contrast backgrounds can distract from the effect and reduce readability. And that's it! You've turned plain text into metallic gold using Canva's built-in gradient styles. Simple, fast, and polished. Save your project, and you're ready to share a professional-looking design that instantly feels more premium.